Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Located along the scenic drive through Kootenay National Park, the Kootenay River Picnic Area offers visitors a quiet place to stop beside one of the major waterways of the Canadian Rockies. Here, the clear, cold waters of the Kootenay River flow steadily through a broad mountain valley surrounded by forested slopes and rugged peaks. The sound of the river and the open views make this a peaceful place to pause while traveling through the park. The Kootenay River has played an important role in shaping the landscape seen today. Over thousands of years, the river helped carve the valley as it carried snowmelt and glacial water down from the surrounding mountains. During the last ice age, massive glaciers filled much of this region, widening and deepening the valley. When those glaciers melted thousands of years ago, the river continued the process of erosion, gradually forming the riverbanks and floodplains visible today. Long before the creation of the national park, indigenous peoples traveled through this valley as part of well-established routes across the Rocky Mountains. The land here lies within the traditional territory of the Kootenay Nation. For generations, these valleys were used for hunting, fishing, and seasonal travel between different regions of the mountains and nearby plains. Today, the Kootenay River Picnic Area offers visitors a chance to experience the natural rhythm of the park at a slower pace. Whether stopping for a meal, stretching their legs, or simply enjoying the view of the flowing river and surrounding mountains, travelers can take a moment to appreciate the powerful natural forces and long history that shaped this remarkable part of the Canadian Rockies. Stretching across the rugged spine of the Canadian Rockies, Kootenay National Park offers a striking contrast of landscapes in a relatively compact area. Located in southeastern British Columbia, the park forms part of the larger Canadian Rocky Mountain Park's UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors traveling through the park quickly notice how the scenery changes, from dry open forests in the west to steep alpine peaks, glaciers, and deep river valleys. This remarkable diversity of environments makes the park one of the most visually varied destinations in the Canadian Rockies. Kootenay National Park was officially established in 1920 as part of an agreement between the federal government and the province of British Columbia. At the time, the province agreed to build a highway through the mountains if Canada would protect the surrounding land as a national park. The result was the scenic Banff-Windermere Highway, which still serves as the main route through the park today. This historic road helped open the region to tourism and provided a vital connection between the communities on either side of the Rockies. Wildlife is another defining feature of Kootenay National Park. The park's varied ecosystems support animals ranging from American black bear and grizzly bear to bighorn sheep and elk. Because the Banff-Windermere Highway runs through prime wildlife habitat, visitors are often reminded to drive carefully and watch for animals along the roadside. These mountains and valleys form an important corridor that allows wildlife to move between different parts of the Rockies. Today, Kootenay National Park remains a place where natural beauty, history, and conservation meet. Whether visitors are exploring canyons, hiking alpine trails, or simply driving through the dramatic mountain scenery, the park offers a glimpse into the power of nature that shaped the Canadian Rockies over millions of years. Protected as part of Canada's national park system and the broader Rocky Mountain World Heritage landscape, this remarkable area continues to inspire travelers from around the world.
Thanks for watching!